Hello and welcome. My name is Timo and I'm the CTO of Appzio. I'll just tell you a few words about our technology before showing Appzio in action. We speed up the native application development radically, and I'll tell you how we do it. Normally, you would need a team of developers. Most importantly, you need both mobile and backend developers. With Appzio, a single backend developer can create the app from beginning to end, either with PHP or Node.js. And there are practically no limitations as to what you can do. So let's have a look at one of our apps. I'm running this application in a simulator, which is exactly the same as running it on a real device. This is one of our template applications that you can use to speed up the development. It has basic functionalities what a classifieds app would need. For example, you can do searches for the items, you can bookmark your favorite items, view details for an individual listing, and contact the seller directly, so it has a chat functionality. Of course, there's a registration, you can post your own items, and various other things. Now when we open the registration, the application is asking for my location. After I allow the location, it knows from which country I'm from, so it can fill in my address, it can fill in my phone country code automatically. Let's take a look on how it looks from the developer's perspective. This is the code that corresponds to the view that we have there on the simulator. Let's first just comment out something so you can see the change in real time. So I'm now disabling this little footer with the terms and services, and simply reloading the view will show me changes in real time. Okay, let's go ahead and add one piece of custom text. So we will place it on the footer, and we have a method called getText. So now we added a text which shows up here. And let's add a couple more things here. We'll add a functionality for going to login screen. So again, you can see my IDE is giving hints. So we want open action, and we want to open a login action. And let's also style this a little. Styling is very much like it would work with CSS. So we can say text align. And we make the text centered. And let's refresh again. You'll see the text moved into the center. And now when I click it, it goes to the other part of the app. As you can see, all changes happen in real time, making the development much more agile than with most other platforms and tools. You don't need to be recompiling the app at all. Actually, you start the development with the bare application, and the client software in itself doesn't change during the course of development at all. Additional things that speed up the development are our pre-existing component libraries, tens of pre-made functional modules, and of course the whole Appzio infrastructure. You don't need to build an admin dashboard, as that comes ready with the platform. And if you want to integrate things like social logins, Google Maps, payments, or many other third-party extensions, they can be added with just a few lines of code. And what's most important is that the client you see is 100% native. There is no JavaScript, there are no web views in the client, making it very responsive and giving the customer the experience that they expect from an app. I hope this gave you a quick overview of what we are about. Please have a look at appzio.com site to learn more about the platform and its benefits. Thank you for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon.